On three, on three, on three. 1, 2, 3. Trenchland. Trenchland? Who that? Quit playing. We're in the middle of nowhere. On our way to Skydive, as you know already. Gonna make this happen. Trying to get something small, not too big. That Arizona looking amazing right now. That's what I should get, Warden. I feel like you trying to outdo me now. Yeah. Water and whatever you want to get. Yeah, give me a water. I don't need that juice. It don't matter. Yeah, about to get it on, man. I hope y'all ready for what's about to happen. So I'm about to kill it right quick with the skydiving. I'm terrified though, but we're gonna do it, man. Alright, man, I'm in the middle of nowhere. As you can see, like I said, I'm terrified. Let me correct this. I'm very scared, but I'm gonna do it one time for the family. I've always wanted to do this, and I'm gonna do it today. It's Easter Sunday, by the way. Happy Easter to everybody. Love and prayers to all those people in those terrorist attacks. That's messed up, man. Like, this is a day of peace, and I'm saying celebrating life and resurrection and all that, and people killing people, but it's the world we live in. But get y'all some views, man, and we about to do this.
We're about halfway there. How you feeling? Terrified. You terrified? You excited though? Excited too. How you feeling about Tim back there? Where are we? Alright man. Here in a couple minutes, we're gonna jump out, have some fun. Hopefully he's awaking up for that. You ready? Let's do it, man. Alright, how was it?
It was great. It wasn't as bad as I thought.
What was your favorite part of that?
Jumping out.
Jumping out?
That was the best part.
You're right on. Well, I've got a question for you. Yeah. After being way up there, coming back down at 120, would you go again?
I would definitely. I'm playing.
Right on, man. Thanks for coming to the Skydiving Company. Glad you had a great time. Woo!